fit the auxiliary power onto the Tenere. You have this connector which is generally taped up in there. You can pull the electrical tape off it, and that provides 2 amp fused protection, 2 amp supply back to the battery, 12 volts. Now you can some people use this for their navigation, others for phone charging. Next, remove the locking collar from the USB charger. So on the right hand side, you'll notice there's a grommet in here. Once you've removed the front windscreen and the headlight, you get good access to the back of it. Pop the grommet out and then give it a quick once around with a file. It's just slightly undersized for the size of the cigarette lighter we're about to put in, so you just need to knock the edges off it. I've already done this one, so I won't do that too much. Then we grab the charging socket, place that through the hole to where we want it, and then do up the lock nut from the back. So thread it over the cable and tighten that. Right, once you've got that lock nut done up, ensure the top is aligned about how you want it, and just give it a bit of a press with a screwdriver on the tabs just to turn it a little bit further so it's going to be nice and tight. Then grab this lead, poke that back through. Best to feed it through one of these little cutouts that are already pre-made for you, and then we can connect it up. Now we can connect the wires. Just plug it into the terminal which we've already exposed. Ensure the key's turned off. That just should go in until it clicks, and then we need to just cable tie these back out of the way and then reinstall the fenders. Just for reference, this fuse box is where you'll find the fuse for your 2 amp supply auxiliary. So you can see here this grey one, number 2, will be the fuse for your USB charger or whatever auxiliaries you've got plugged in there.